In this video, we are going to talk about the abstraction. So, what does abstraction mean? Abstraction means in the program that users will be only able to see the important details and sensitive data will be hidden and they will not be able to access. For example, if you were to go onto Instagram, let's say, and you were to follow someone, you will just click on follow button and you don't need to know the logic behind it. And that's exactly what the abstraction is. It will hide the logical aspect of program and they will only show the bit that is important, the most important for the users. So we are going to start it. We've got one class that's, we'll just in fact write Instagram. So we've got now one class which is called Instagram, and then we've got access modifier which is set to public. In order to use abstract class, we must use one function which will be pure virtual function. So we are going to first of all write virtual and then void and then write function which then we name function which we are going to name it as details, let's say, and then you are going to put parentheses and it will be equal to 0. This 0 means that should be overwritten in the next class. So we will try to access this class, right? We will try to make Instagram object. We will name it as a cause. We will put parentheses and then try cause, which was details, and it's not going to work. If we will try running it, what we are going to get is it's going to say that got Instagram, in fact. So we will run once again, and as you can see, it's abstract class right now, so we cannot access it straight away. What we need to do is we need to drive it to the next class. So we need to get the child class. That's going to be, we will first type class, we will name it as a cause. So we'll remove this, we'll name it as a cause. Then we need to make this class as a child class of this main class. So what we need to do is we will put class cause and then public, which is access modifier of this class, and then we are going to write name of our main class, which is our Instagram, and then we can put, so now we have our child class. So we can just put our child class of Instagram class. So this class is a child class of this one. Now what we need to do is we need to override this function and we can access this function right there. We will try doing that. So what do we get? Instagram, that's right. So we will write public because it's access modifier, and then we are going to override the function. So this time we are only going to put void details, exactly this name, details, parentheses, and then we maybe type cout this is details. Now if we will try to call this class, it is going to work. So we will try calling it class cause out, let's say. And if we were to run it, what we see is we do get details, so it does run. So that's how the abstract class works. So in abstract you have the main class that is made to be driven to different classes, and then you can access those different classes. So you don't go into the main class and this is often used for the security purposes within code.